Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with US Bank Cash Plus easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start scaling with US Bank Cash Plus, you need to open the US Bank mobile app or website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section. Here, you will find an overview of available rewards and points. To begin earning points, familiarize yourself with categories that offer bonus cash back. Select the categories that best fit your spending habits. You can customize your bonus categories each quarter to maximize your earnings. Ensure you save your selections before moving on. Next, review your current balance and monitor your cashback earnings. To boost your cashback, consider making larger purchases within your chosen categories. Also, look for promotions or offers that may provide additional cashback opportunities. To redeem your cash back, go back to the rewards section. Choose your preferred redemption option, whether that's a statement credit or a direct deposit. Make sure to verify any minimum balance requirements for redemption. Keep track of important dates, such as the end of each quarter for changing categories. This way, you won't miss any opportunities to optimize your earnings. Lastly, consider setting up alerts for bonus categories or special promotions. By following these simple steps, you can effectively scale with US Bank Cash Plus and maximize your rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.